Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we will learn about how to add the package or how to create the package in Eclipse through GUI. So for creating the ABAP package there is a transaction code SE21 or we can create also in SE80. So I am using directly T code SE21. So on search button type SE21, then package option is there. Here you have to put the name, object name. Uh, Z. I will create a Z package 0. I'm taking this name Z package 01. Then you have to click on the create button. Then you have to give a short description and giving app package. Then click on the right software component you have to select. So for this I have selecting um, then click on the continue button. Then this prompt for local workbench request will be open. So we have to select for create new request. So click on the create new request. After that, give a short description. I'm giving a web package. Then click on save. It will automatically create the CTS or workbench request. You can say. Then click on the continue button. So save it. So this is the ABAP package is created. Copy the name and you can check it on SE80 transaction code. Go to SE80 transaction code. Then after that, you have to select package here. Then put your package name here and search it. So object name is there, that package 01. So it is the package that you have created. So now we are adding this package to Eclipse. So go to the Eclipse. Then there is an option here in your ABAP project. In drop down, there is favorite. In local object, there is a favorite package option is there. So right click on the favorite package and there is a add package option there. So just click on the add package. Now the search your package name here. So this is your package name. Click on it. So here you can see that your package is added in favorite package. Now, if you want to add the reference package here, so you can also add the reference package inside that your package. So click on the right, then go to new, then go to ABAP package here. Click on it, then give the name, whatever suitable name you can give. I'm giving Z package is description. ABAP package you can give name. So super package automatically transferred to that because it is a reference package creating for that. Now click on the next, then click on next button. Then it will give a CTS request. Then click on the finish button. So you can see that here a reference package is added. So this is how we can create a package in Eclipse by through GUI and add the package into favorite package. Hope you like this video. So please follow, like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.